Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do the quickest skincare routine. Now everyone thinks that skincare takes forever to do, it really doesn't. I'm actually going to create this for the 529 creatives, which I'll put a link in below. You should definitely check them out and subscribe. And I'm going to cut the video here and start it again, introducing myself to that channel. Hello Steve and Paul, it's Steve here from Dunstable, England. I'm going to show you a very quick skincare routine which will do everything you need it to do. Now I always use micellar water, use it on cotton pads just to clean my face. Very quick, gets rid of any dirt. Of course, if you're doing this in the morning, you probably shouldn't have makeup on because you should have done it the night before. Super quick. Right, now I am precious about my skincare, so I really like this. Line Boosted by number 7. You only need the smallest amount. And with serums, now this is targeting your lines, so where I get my lines is my forehead. I've been doing this routine for a fair while. Crow's feet and your nasal labium lines. Now, with serums is a pressing motion rather than a rubbing motion, and serums penetrate a lot deeper than moisturizers, which is why it's good to use both. That way you're getting the best anti-aging you can. Next up, we're going to go in with the Lift and Illuminate range by number 7, and this goes all over. So whereas the other one was targeting your certain lines, this is targeting everywhere. So just a small amount, and again, a pressing motion. Now, the reason I'm using Lift and Illuminate is because it targets your lines and wrinkles. It also firms your skin, and if you've got any age pigmentation as well. Which is just an added benefit, I guess, as I don't have any pigmentation. All right, next up, I'm going in with, it's again a number 7. I did used to work for them. So I'm not sponsored by them, but I do like their skincare products. Just a small amount of that. Now this is basically hyaluronic acid, helps lock in moisture. Now you can mix this in with a moisturizer, or you can do it before or after. Usually I do it with, however, as I'm not using my number 7 one, I wanted to do it before. And with that, I'm just pressing that all over. You do not have to wait for these products to sink in because they sink in so super quick. Now I am using Glam and Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. This is probably the most expensive skincare product I own. I'll put a link in the description for all of these anyway, but don't even need that much. You're looking at that sort of amount. Now with moisturizers, they're massaged in all over your face and your neck. Now, when you're choosing a moisturiser, choose one that's got an SPF. Your makeup might have an SPF, most do, but it's always best to have an SPF in your moisturiser as well. Go more for the star rating than the factor. The last thing I'm going to use is this number 7 Dark Circle Corrector. As you can see, I have really bad bags. Now, I've been using this a while. I have noticed a big improvement in them as well. You need the smallest amount. That would do both eyes, what I've just squirted out. So let me just get a bit there. Now, this is for your under eyes here only. Now, it is tinted, but it's meant to be used day and night. And a good skincare routine is twice a day anyway. But the fact that it's tinted, you won't notice the tint. It is just to give a slight instant illusion. Whereas it's the serum in it that actually does the business. So roll it on with the cooling roller balls, and then I pat it out just to blend that colour. Now, as you can see, you can't tell I've got this under eye stuff on. So the tint is very light, and that is a full routine there to keep your face perfect, keep it young, healthy, and a good glow. You'd repeat that at night, changing out the day cream for a night cream, just because it's heavier and sinks in. So hope you're all well and stay creative.